welcome to my channel. My name is Bria and I make beauty videos in sign language. Today I have a wonderful tutorial for you mothers out there. This is my very quick makeup and hair routine that I like to do. Super simple, super quick. If you need to kind of run out the door, you're going to the store and you want to look maybe kind of nice, keep watching for my quick makeup and hair routine. So let's start the video. So just start off, just do a quick braid because I'm going to show you how I do my hair as well. We'll do our hair after our makeup. I already did my skincare, so I washed my face, I use my toner pads, and I already moisturized. So I'm not going to use a primer. You can if you want, but it's just an extra step that I don't really need. I'm going to mix my two foundations together because one is very light, one is very dark. So to make my perfect color, I need to mix them. I'm using Physicians Formula and my Maybelline Superstay foundation. If I'm using a brush for everything, makes it so much faster than just using your fingers, or even a blending sponge can be very slow. Now I'm using my Almay concealer, and I'm just going to cover up where I need it, so under my eyes, and I have a little bit of redness like here. And then for this, I'm just going to use my fingers. So I don't really like to do my eyebrows when I'm trying to hurry, just because my eyebrows take the longest to just make them super perfect. But I want to use a brow gel just to make my eyebrows stay in place. I'm just gonna brush them up. I do like to prime my eyelids just because they're very oily. So if I don't, then the color doesn't show very good. Now I'm going to use my Maybelline Lemonade Craze palette. I don't really recommend this palette. If you want to know my thoughts on it, then go look at my Instagram. I have a post on this palette. I actually love this palette, but it's not very pigmented and it's very dusty as well, but I like it for my own reasons. I'm using Sherbet right here. I actually like to set my under eyes and my eyelids with that color. I'm going to take Sweet Tea and just put that through my crease. If you don't have this palette, you can just use a bronzer for that or a matte brown color. I'm using this palette for this makeup look because I'm actually doing a challenge every day on Instagram. So if you want to see what the challenge is about, then go look at my Instagram. And I'm going to use Berry Ice. All on the lid. And then Sweet Tea just under the lashes as well. If you want, you can use a liner for this look. I think it would look a lot better with a liner, just to have something a little bit bold on your lid. But because I want to be quick, I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use my Total Temptation mascara by Maybelline. So I finished the eyes. I think if you do your eyes first and you don't have time for anything else, then you still look nice. You look like you tried. So that's why I like to do my eyes first when I'm in a hurry. Now I'm going to take my Clinique blush, and this is in Heather Pop, and I'm going to use it just to sculpt out my cheekbones a little bit. I don't want to use a bronzer because I find it takes more time because I feel like I have to go around my whole face. With a blush, I know I can just focus on my cheek area. And I'm going to use my Wet n Wild highlight in Blossom Glow. And for my last step, I'm just going to apply a nude lipstick. And I'm using the e.l.f. matte lip in Praline. And I like this lip because you don't have to be careful with it. That's it for my makeup. So very simple, but it looks like I actually tried to look nice. Now I'm going to show you my hair. So I always put it in a braid for most of the day. When I want to go out, I take it out and it looks nice and wavy, like I actually did something with it. First, I take my braid out. So you see it looks nice and wavy just at the ends. It kind of has that beachy look. And then I use this Pantene hairspray. It's called Airspray. Haha, so funny. And I just kind of like pat it on my head to make my frizz go down. And I have hair right here that always wants to curl, like it wants to stick up. So I just kind of smooth it down. And then if I want some more volume, I'll have to stand up for this part. I kind of like you want to spray the roots a little bit. And the bottom. And then just scrunch it up like this. So there, we're all finished. So I like doing that because it makes my hair nice and wavy, and then I just kind of smooth my frizz down. And then I can go in public and look like a normal person. So that's nice. I hope this was helpful to you mothers out there. Or if you're just in a hurry, this can help you a lot. I know I don't have much time these days to take a lot of time doing my makeup. And if I do, it's always first thing in the morning when my son just woke up and he's super happy and he's eating breakfast. Then I can kind of take my time with my makeup. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe. I post new videos every Friday, so I would love for you to join the family. And thank you so much